Now we'll see how to mince boneless mutton using the steel blade. We will attach the steel blade and press it gently. Then we will take the bowl cover and lock it properly. Make sure the cover is properly locked. Speed has to be kept at maximum. After that, we will press the on button and put the pieces of boneless mutton through the shooter one by one. Similarly, we can also mince chicken, pork, beef, etc. Now we can see how beautifully the Ronald food processor has made the boneless mutton mince without much effort.